Shrimant Shankar Dev, the polymath from Assam. The 8th day of October this year happens to be the Janma Tithi of Shrimant Shankar Dev, an Assamese polymath who was born in the year 1449 current era at Alipukhuri near Bardowa, presently in Nagaon district of Assam. He was born to Satya Sandhya Devi and Kusumbar Bhuya. His father was the Shiromani Bhuya, that is, the chief landlord. Shankar Dev lost his parents at a very tender age and was brought up by his grandmother, Kher Suti. Shankar Dev is regarded as a polymath because he was a saint, scholar, poet, playwright, socio-religious reformer, and a figure of importance in the religio-cultural history of Assam. He is regarded as the pioneer of Ekasarna, the socio-religious movement of medieval Assam, and is widely credited with building on past cultural relics and devising new forms of music like Borgeet, theatrical performances like Ankiya Nat and Bhavana, dance forms like Satriya, and literary language Brajavali. Besides, he has left an extensive collection of literary works which consists of transliterations of scriptures like Bhagavat of Shankar Dev, poetry, and theological works written in Sanskrit, Assamese and Brajavali. More details on the various facets of Shankar Dev's life and his times can be obtained from Shankar Charit, also known as Guru Charit. The book was written in the second decade of the 18th century. Though he was a multi-talented and accomplished genius, excelling in various domains, the central role of Shankar Dev in the socio-cultural lives of the Assamese people was that of a religious saint. During his times, the socio-religious condition of Assam was deplorable. To salvage the situation, Shankar Dev founded the Neo-Vaishnavite religious sect in Assam, which is commonly known as the Ekasarana Nama Dharma. Ekasarana follows the Dashya attitude, that is the Bhava, of worship, in which the devotee considers himself to be a servant of God. In contrast to other Vaishnava schools, Radha is not worshipped along with Krishna. The people who practice this religious sect are referred to variously as Mahapurushiya, Saraniya, and Shankari. He also undertook steps to remove social evils and religious anomalies prevailing in the society. The source of inspiration behind his talents, explored everywhere in literature, music, and arts, was his unique thoughts and actions aimed towards the expansion of Vishnu Bhakti Marg and its ideals. It would be apt to say that Shankar Dev was the first revolutionary of Northeast India. The main motto of revolution is to change the social values and develop the entire society by creating an environment for those historical changes. Shankar Dev brought newness and reformation in every strata of the society, and this resulted in innumerable developments in the societal realm. The creations of Shankar Dev are the most precious gems of Assamese literature. His creations, such as the Bargeet, classical music, etc., have been able to gel into the Indian national platform with a unique fragrance. By following the model of Shankari songs, different new songs were created in later years, which became popular amongst the masses everywhere. Satriya dance, for example, is such an interesting dance type which is equally popular and original as Kathak and Bharatanatyam in India. Bhavana is another instance of the beauty and gravity of Assamese performing arts. In a sense, Shankar Dev started a new era in the religious and social movement of Assam and has contributed tremendously to the growth and development of Assam and its people.